Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 326 Express. I am a lady aged 28 years old and need your help. I have 2 kids with my husband, who is a stay-at-home dad. He was involved in an accident that injured his back by Shandamu warehouse, lifting goods. So for the past 3 years, I have been working, providing for my family. Ndodii. Akambochaga basa, but in less than a month, anenge akuchema kumira ma long hours. In January, he asked me to take his mother in Tigare now. Mama is not well and needs full attention. I was not for the idea because I start my day early, finishing around 5 p.m. I asked him, who will take care of her Ndisipo? Besides, my husband has 2 sisters that can stay with Mama in a much more comfortable space. Isusu, we stay in a 3-roomed cottage. 2 bedrooms, dining ne kitchen rakabatana, tinenge takamanikana. When I raised my concerns, he insisted titore Mama. Akati, since ndirikugara pamba, I will take care of her usipo. So I gave in, avoiding kuita kunge ndisingade amwene mumba mangu. So Mama wakauya. The unfortunate part is my husband doesn't do much, but kuswera achinyeya hama na Mama. He started tsika yekundimutsa na 4 a.m. before I leave for work to cook food for the day, chekuti vanosodya. Then weekends I'm doing laundry yavo, vese. I hardly rest, guys. I can't even afford a helper. That's why I stayed close to my sister, kuti atore vana from school. That's in the area, ndozovatora maneru. Vedare, I am tired and frustrated. I can't continue living like this. So when I reached out to Tete, vakati ndiko kuita murora wotoshinga. Our brother ndiye arikuda Mama muduze. But my question is, kusvika rini? I have nursed my husband and worked hard to keep kids in school and bringing food to the table at the same time. This extra burden, ya Mama, I can't take anymore. I'm paying rent, literally doing everything. Vedare ndakundikana. My husband refuses to listen. His siblings are okay with this situation, so Ndodii. Ndambofunga kusabhadhara rent so that reality can kick in. How can I make Mama see kuti ndakaremera vaende kumba kwana Tete or back kumusha? Help. Hiyo hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Tinotenda Manxowe.